JP Morgan Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. JP Morgan offers a suite of retirement planning service and tools designed to assist individuals in preparing for retirement. These services are primarily delivered through their personal advisor program and various online tools, aiming to provide personalized financial strategies to meet client and retirement goal. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a personal advisor program. It's part of their key features on the platform. They also have a low account minimum, which requires a minimum investment of $25,000, making it accessible to a broader range of investors compared to some competitors. They also have this special features called digital planning tools, together with a tax logs harvesting and a mobile accessibility. And here are the pros about this platform, which is the advantages part of this platform. So it comes with an access to fiduciary advisor and also a comprehensive planning tools with a competitive fees, which is annual advisory fee range from 0.5% to 0.6%, which is relatively low compared to industry standard. So also come with an integration with a case account. So clients whose bank with case can benefit from seamless integration between their banking and investment account. And here's the downside about this platform, which is a limited access to the digital dedicated advisor and the investment option, together with a limited customer support. And saying the overall conclusion about this platform. So the JP Morgan Retirement Planner, through its personal advisor program and digital tools, offer a solid option for individuals seeking a personalized retirement planning with the backing of a reputable financial institution. It is relatively low account minimum and competitive fee make it accessible, while the integration with the Chase account had a convenience for existing customers. However, those seeking a wider array of investment option or 24/7 advisor access may find the platform offering somewhat limited. So that's it.